Welcome to Recipes Inspired by Travels, where I bring you fast, healthy, and easy to make snacks that will transform your travel experience. This is about more than just the food. It's about enhancing your journey with delicious treats that keeps you energized and satisfied on the go. And as a bonus, I'll share alternative ingredient suggestions so you never have to settle for something you don't love. Let's talk ingredients. Mangoes provides a burst of vitamin C for immune support, while zesty lime adds a refreshing kick. And don't forget the chili for a metabolism boost. But let's take a moment to delve deeper into the magic of these ingredients. Mangoes have been cultivated for over 4,000 years, originating in South Asia. They are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and fibers. There are over 1,000 different varieties of mangoes. Lime have a long history and are believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, with evidence of their cultivation dating back thousands of years. Limes are known for their high vitamin C content, which is essential for immune function, skin health, and wound healing. In fact, lime contain even more vitamin C. And finally, chili peppers support a healthy immune system. Chili peppers are known for being an excellent source of both vitamin A and vitamin C. For vitamin A is also an immune-boosting antioxidant and well known for helping to protect and maintain eye health. Now let's dive into how to make our mango chili lime slice. Slice your mangoes into thin strips. Arrange them on a plate. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the top. With finely chopped chili for a spicy twist. Easy, no hustle, and ready in 2 minutes. Time to try it out! The sweet mango, tangerine lime, and spicy chili create a flavor explosion that's perfect for any adventure. And remember, if you can't find the ingredients or prefer something else, feel free to make a slightly different twist. It's all about making it your own.